Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. Today in this video, I am going to talk about one of the very loved activities in the capital markets, that is trading. So if you are one of the persons who loves trading or is a trader, then let me explain you how SEBI Grade A exam is not for you. Being a SEBI Grade A officer may not be the right career choice for you. Hi, I am Prachi Agarwal. I have 18 plus of experience in the financial markets and as an educator. From the last 9 years since 2018, I have been guiding and mentoring for various financial bodies and financial regulators job opportunities at iExamB. And I'm happy to be sharing that iExamB since 2018 we have been a part of 270 plus selected candidates of SEBI Grade A officers, including all India rankers. So let me go ahead and use my understanding of guiding and mentoring of all those years to get you the right reason for being a SEBI Grade A officer. I have asked this question over the years from a lot of candidates at various levels when they are preparing for this exam, at phase 1 level, at phase 2 level, even at the interview stage level. Why do you want to be a SEBI Grade A officer? I have got many responses. To share a few, some students mentioned that it is the love for the stock market and therefore they think that they should make a career around it. Many also stated that they have been actively trading in the stocks and options or options and futures and options market, and therefore they feel SEBI is the perfect job for them. Another student mentioned that they want to learn how the stock market really works from the inside and therefore think that SEBI is the right career. Some feel that the capital markets are very fascinating, very dynamic. Every day something is happening. You're always on the toes and therefore SEBI is their dream organization to be working with. Another student stated that they follow financial news every day and they enjoy tracking the market movements. Another student, I want to understand how big investors and institutions operate, like hedge funds, AIF funds, venture capital funds, private equity. How are they working? How are they trading? Maybe they have been fascinated by Warren Buffett or Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, some of the greatest investors over the last decades. Or another student who mentioned to me, I enjoy investing and thought SEBI would be a natural next step for me. To give another example, a student stated that I want a career where I can stay connected to the stock market every day. As such, you can see many aspirants were drawn to SEBI because of their passion, love, interest, or a curiosity for the stock market and finance. If this is also one of your reasons to give the SEBI exam, let me tell you, SEBI Grade A or being a SEBI Grade A officer is the wrong choice. Why? Because SEBI is a market regulator. Yes, it is the capital markets regulator. It is not a market participant. That means if you are a SEBI Grade A officer, you are not the one who will be trading in the market. Rather, you will be ensuring to work on rules and regulations that protect the investor's interest. You need to work on rules and regulations and ensure that the markets provide an equal and fair opportunity for every kind of investor. You will be framing various regulations for this aspect. You will be monitoring any misconduct to ensure that these aspects are achieved, and you will also be investigating violations of any kind. Say, for example, you may have heard very recently about the Rajesh exports, the violations in terms of how they are reporting, what kind of discrepancies are there that are working against the interest of the investors, right? However, if you are looking to be, you are drawn to the stock market as a trader or as an investor or as a portfolio manager or as a research analyst, you are actually wanting to be a market participant and not the market regulator. This is the fundamental flaw of the reason for you to be a SEBI Grade A officer. Apart from there is also a statutory regulation or a rule that disallows SEBI Grade A officers or any SEBI officer, not just Grade A officer, any SEBI officer, and restricts the investments that they do. So this is related to the employee service regulations, which clearly states under clause 64 that no employee should make any direct or indirect investments in commodity derivatives, equity or equity linked instruments, including convertible debentures and warrants, except units of mutual funds, non-convertible bonds, non-convertible debentures, and they apply to employees, their dependent children, their dependent parents and parents-in-law, and of course your spouse also. So what this means, it's not that SEBI officers cannot invest and for their long term for wealth creation. However, they can do that through mutual funds as a wealth creation or a saving and investment technique, and not to directly profit from news and movements from the stock market. Now, why is this restriction placed on SEBI officers? This is because as being a SEBI officer, you are privy to a lot of information which may not yet be public. Because of your role, you may be aware about certain upcoming regulations, you may be aware about certain important information about companies or individuals or intermediaries because they are under any kind of investigation or inquiry. You may have access to certain market surveillance data which shows trading patterns or insider alerts. You could also have certain other kind of sensitive information or decision making information related to companies or their promoters. As such, you are privy to a lot of information which is not yet public, which places you in direct conflict of interest with the market. So here, as the SEBI officer, your role or your job is to protect the market and not to gain from any of this information for your personal gain, right? And therefore, being SEBI officer, you cannot be using this information for your personal interest. To ensure that there is an integrity that is maintained, the trust of the people in SEBI as the regulator is maintained, you yourself are avoiding and not furthering the use of unpublished information, misuse of unpublished information. You're actually working to ensure fair and level playing field for everybody and not creating an unfair advantage for yourself. And you are focusing on the mandate of SEBI, which is to regulate the markets, develop the markets, and ensure the investors' protection. And therefore, there are trading restrictions that are placed on SEBI officers. So coming back to my question, if you love trading and if you want to be a market participant, then SEBI Grade A is not the right career choice for you. However, SEBI Grade A is a great career choice if you are interested in the markets for the reasons like capital market regulation, financial laws, being a part of the investigations, ensuring corporate governance, investor protection, and public policy. Then yes, you are preparing for SEBI Grade A for the right reasons. So SEBI is definitely one of the most prestigious careers in Indian finance. It is one of the very strong financial regulators in India. But ensure that you are preparing for this exam for the right reason. In the comments box, write what is your exact reason for which you want to be a Grade A officer. And in case you have decided that you want to be a Grade A officer, if you have any kind of queries or want to know anything about the exam and the next recruitment cycle, please fill out the form. The description box and the comments box has a form link in which you can fill out your queries, and we are going to very soon conduct a free workshop for you to give you all the information to help you guide and make the right decision for your preparation starting for the Grade A next recruitment cycle. Don't forget to download our app or visit our website or call us at 920-552-4028 or write to us at hello@iexamb.com in case of any other information or query that you may have. Wishing you all the best for a very successful career in the government job space.